In this video, we are going to show you how to create challenge links in chess.com. Now, if you want to send a friend challenge link so you can play together and you're not friends yet in the website, it's actually pretty simple. All you need to do is, of course, you need to be logged in and just play any other game. So let's click play, and then you can just play whatever, play online. There we go. And then here you want to click on play a friend. So once you click play a friend, you want to click on find friends on the bottom of that option like so. And here you're going to have a few options: friend link, find Facebook friends, send email invite, or create challenge link, which is the one we want. So click on create challenge link. This pop-up will appear. You can actually customize the type of game you want. You can do standard or chess 960. You can also change the time. By default, it's going to be rapid. You can change it however long. You can even do it one a day, as much as you want. And then after that, once you've done customizing everything, you want to click on copy link. And as you can see here, this is the link and it's copied, and just send it to a messenger or Discord or whatever, and you'll be good to go. So you can play with your friend. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.